Are you looking for a reliable energy audit partner? It's no secret that conducting an energy audit can be a complex process. Industries face numerous challenges, from understanding energy consumption patterns to identifying potential energy-saving opportunities. Without a doubt, energy audits are crucial for industries, not just for cost saving, but also for sustainable operations. But the process demands a trustworthy partner. So here's a question for you. What if there was a solution to all these problems? Meet Elion, your trustworthy energy audit partner. With a stellar reputation as a certified energy auditor and manager, Elion is more than equipped to tackle your energy concerns. Using world-class equipment and industry-leading expertise, Elion steps in to provide sustainable solutions to your energy audit dilemmas. Our clients have not only saved millions of rupees, but also conserved significant amounts of energy. With Elion, you can expect nothing less than excellence in energy management. But that's not all that Elion offers. Why should Elion be your energy audit partner? That's a question worth asking. Let's look at the facts. Elion's team of certified energy auditors and managers are equipped with world-class equipment. They are trained to identify energy inefficiencies and provide practical, cost-effective solutions. But that's not all. The true value of Elion lies in the results. Our clients have saved millions of rupees and significantly reduced their energy consumption. These aren't just one-time savings. They're sustainable long-term savings that improve your bottom line year after year. Choosing Elion isn't just about conducting an energy audit. It's about partnering with a team that's committed to your success. A team that utilizes state-of-the-art technology to provide insightful, actionable recommendations. A team that's dedicated to helping you save money and energy, and ultimately contributing to a more sustainable future. Doesn't Elion sound like the perfect energy audit partner for you? Ready to take the next step towards efficient energy management? The journey to energy efficiency is paved with choices, and one of the best you can make is to partner with Elion. Our certified energy auditors and managers are equipped with world-class tools to help you uncover hidden energy savings, transforming your energy consumption into a strategic asset. We've already helped countless clients save millions of rupees and energy, setting them on the path to sustainable savings. Imagine what we could do for your organization. Getting started with Elion is easy. Simply reach out to us through our website or give us a call on 885200 85208. We're more than ready to help you understand your energy use better, pinpoint wastage, and design a custom energy saving plan for you. So why wait? The future of energy management is here, and it begins with Elion. Join hands with Elion today for a more energy efficient tomorrow.